Hello students, today we are discussing first topic of 11th chemistry, that is the first chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. So we know the proper definition of the chemistry. So chemistry is nothing but the study of matter, its physical and chemical properties and the physical and chemical changes it undergoes under different conditions. Now we see the branches of the chemistry. There are the 5 branches of chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry and physical chemistry. So, inorganic chemistry is nothing but the chemistry of molecules and compounds that contain very little hydrocarbon and no hydrocarbon radicals. Organic means the study of the carbon and its compounds. What about the analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry is the study of chemistry of matter and the development of tools used to measure the properties of matter. Physical chemistry applies the physics to the study of chemistry, thermodynamics, quantum mechanics, nuclear chemistry, etc. So, and biochemistry is the study of the chemical processes that occur inside of living organisms. Now we will see about the matter, more about the matter. So matter is nothing but anything that occupies and possesses mass and can be filled by one or more of our cells is the matter. For example of matter includes air, water, living things, table, chalk, books, etc. In air, there is a mixture of anything, that is the gases or water droplets or etc. Now we see the classification of the matter. So matter is classified into physical classification and chemical classification. So in that physical classification categorize solid, liquid and gases. But in chemical classification they are again classified into pure substances and the mixtures. Pure substances are again divided into 2 branches: elements, that is hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. and the compound, that is water, sand, etc. Again compound is divided into 2 inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Now we see about the mixtures, which is categorized in the chemical classification. So in that mixtures are again divided into 2 parts, that is the homogeneous mixture, means for example air, salt in water, etc. and heterogeneous mixture means sand and common salt. So what is homogeneous mixture? Now we see in next slide. Here we see the matter. So matter may be solid, liquid or gases or anything that occupies space and has the mass. So the heterogeneous matter means non-uniform composition. For example, if you take the water and you add in it oil, so there is formation of the layer formation takes place. Okay. So layer formation takes place means there is a there you observe that there is the non-uniform composition is there. But in homogeneous matter, what is homogeneous matter? Uniform composition throughout. For example, you take the water and add salt or sugar. So what happens? Sugar or salt completely dissolved in the water. So uniform composition throughout the solution we observe. So that type of solution we called as the homogeneous. And make sure that this is the main key point of these 2 matters, that the heterogeneous matter are physically separated into the homogeneous matter. Again these homogeneous matter are of the substances or the solution we see now. So what is the substances? The substances means the fixed composition and cannot be further purified. And what about the solution? Homogeneous mixture, uniform composition that may vary widely. Here again key point is that solutions are physically separated into the substances. Now we see about the compounds. What is compounds? Compounds are the elements united in fixed ratio, and the elements cannot be subdivided by chemical or physical changes. So the compounds are chemically separated into elements, and the elements are combined chemically to form the compounds. So this is very basic. Now we see the what about metal, non-metal and metalloids. We already seen in our junior classes. We just brush up our knowledge. What the physical properties of metal, non-metals and metalloids. So first we see the state at room temperature. At room temperature metals are solid, but except of mercury. Mercury is a liquid. This is exceptional case, mercury. Non-metal at room temperature they are the gases, some are solids, and only bromine is a liquid. This is again exceptional. Metalloids are always solids. Appearance, metal have a shiny luster appearance, non-metals have non-very shiny, and metalloids can be shiny or dull. Next is the conductivity. So metals show the good conductors of heat and electricity, non-metals poor conductors of heat and electricity, and metalloids may conduct electricity or poor conductor of heat. Now we see about the malleability and ductility. Malleability means to convert into the sheets, and ductility means it is the ability to convert into the thin wire. So metals have the both property, malleable and ductile. Non-metal is the show the brittle, and metalloid also show the brittle. Okay. Now we see the states of the matter. You see the states of matter. There are the three states of the matter, that is the solid, liquid and gas. So they are interconvertible to each other. Means solids are converted into the liquid. The process is called as the melting. When the liquid is converted into the gas, then the process is called as the evaporation. Reversely, if you go, means gas is converted into the liquid, the process is called condensation, and the liquid is converted into the solid, the process is called as the freezing. One more point of these two states is that in solid the particles are tightly held together. They are tightly held together. Due to this, they show the definite shape. But what about the liquid? Liquid does not show a definite shape, because due to the particles of the liquids, they are loosely held with together. Due to this, they show the flowy nature. And what about the gas? So in gas, particles are very far apart from each other. So this is the main difference in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. So these are about the introductory part of our first topic. Thank you.